Happy Saturday morning.
Happy Saturday morning.
So where are you going, Gabriel?
I'm going to the mountain to get our tree, and so my dad showed me how to the miles, 52 miles, and after that I think it's going to be a long way down.
So tell them see you later.
See you later. Bye. Welcome to Vlog 3 Gabriel. Today, I'm holding a tree, and I don't want something like this.
So what do you want? How tall?
I'm on 7 feet.
Okay, so where are we gonna look for the 7 feet?
I'm going back there.
Okay. All right then. So I think we're gonna go to the woods to find a tall tree for you.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look at them.
Take a video of you and Dada in the cart. Where? This looks like Kalinga. This is like an adventure for Gabby. And for Mom and Dada, we never did this. This is our first time to do Christmas tree cutting. Where are you gonna go? Oh my word, this is an exercise. Stay on the right, babe.
I'm not even tired.
You're not even tired. We're on top of us. Dada lost 1,000 pounds already.
Looks like it.
No, I didn't lose 1,000 pounds.
Are you tired?
No, I'm just 100 pounds.
Oh my gosh.
They're pulling out.
This is like...
We should have ragged that debate.
Look at that.
Alright, come on. He's not tired. What's up, guys?
He's got so much energy.
Look at that, Mama. Look at right there.
I'll take a video of that. What's that?
Look
Oh
at
no.
right there going up there.
I feel like that's a COVID petri dish in there.
Let's go.
We're almost here. We made it. How are you, babe?
Good.
Good?
Good.
We made it. We're in here. I'm so sweaty. Oh my gosh.
Alright, go. Take one.
You tell them you're here.
We are here, guys.
Go inside there.
So we're gonna go find Gabby's
7 feet.
perfect tree.
I need 7
Go
feet.
down there.
7 feet.
You need 7
That's
feet?
7 feet in the front.
This is 7. This is so nice.
Yeah,
All right, come on. Let's go look for more, baby.
Let's go there.
Where are you gonna go?
Whoa, they are planting trees.
Somebody's so excited. Somebody's so excited. They have nice trees. They have so nice trees, Dada. Very nice. I think what we got last year is a Douglas fir. No. These are all nice. That's like uneven. Uneven. It's a little bit. No. Are you lost? Because Gabriel wants 7 feet. We have to measure it. A 7 feet. So, is that your tree? Did you find your tree?
Did you find it?
You want to take a picture now of your tree? So look at me. You can bring your mask down and I'll take a. There. I think he found his tree, right? All right, I'll take a picture of your tree. You tell them, babe, what are you gonna do first?
So we only measure the tree, and then we gonna cut it.
Oh my gosh, okay. Alright, ready?
Now you know how to do it?
I have an idea how.
You tell, are you sure, Dada? You know what you're doing, Dada? Look at these two. Butanding times 2. They're cutting the tree.
Yeah, we gotta get it in.
So, this will actually do something. You can
There you go.
Ouch!
you always,
That was quick, Dada. I thought it's gonna take a while.
No.
Oh my word.
I told it to
Can I
go
take a video of it?
Beautiful. And then what we're
Yeah.
gonna do
Let me see, let me see.
is we'll remove this bark. Cut it all the way down there.
That was quick.
the ball.
It was hard
Here,
to.
when it's right.
Move the ball.
This one. No, this. We have to take this away. Excuse me.
What? Cut the ball.
I think we can cut it over there.
Yeah, I think so too.
You like this, huh? No turning back. You can't put it back.
Where?
That's a nice one.
Ah.
Look at this. Want to bring this one? No. Got that?
All right. Hold on.
Count it from the inside. 1, 2. Count the rings out.
Okay,
That's how
so,
old this tree is. Go.
oh my god.
Take a picture
1,
of it.
2, 3,
How old?
4, 5, 6, 7.
How
It's
old?
7 years old.
They're all baby trees. After 7 years, they're all gonna be big.
This is how old is Gabriel's tree.
Yeah, this is how old is Gabriel.
Yeah.
It's 7 years old.
It's 7 years.
Yeah,
How did you know it's 7-year-old?
because I counted the lines,
Counted
the wing, yeah,
trees,
the book,
right?
yeah, the tree wing.
Yeah.
About. So you actually never.
There you go. That's our tree going in there. Here it comes. That's our tree. It's gonna go there. There we go. All good. Back it a bit. It's just right, Dada. And good. You guys are on the video. We're going down the hill.
I will get a pen, paper, and I'll put a white 7 years old. Okay?
All right. We are done with the
Tree time.
tree cutting. Look at Gabriel.
Yeah, we are in the front of our van.
We're waiting for
Dada.
Dada to pay the
Yeah, Dada.
pay the.
I paid the
Tree.
tree.
Did you have fun?
What?
Did you have fun?
Yes, that's so fun.
Okay, tell them bye, and we'll see you when
Bye,
you go
I'll
home.
see you. And after that, if we go home, we can go live, okay?
Yes, we're gonna go. What are you gonna do when you go home?
We're gonna have to fix
Fix the
live.
tree.
Yeah, and after that, we have to fix the tree and after get all the lights.
Oh, say bye bye.
Bye bye.